Happy birthday, Kuya Christian! Sa pinaka-pogi kong kuya. I know you wanna hear that badly, so pagbibigyan na kita since it's your birthday. Grabe, 50 ka na. Thunders ka na. I guess it's about time for you to dye your hair para magmukha ka ulit 40. Kidding aside, we all miss you here. Once again, I hope please do visit us soon. Huwag ka nang pasaway. And I just wish you the best of health. And bawas-bawasan mo na yung pag-inom mo. And enjoy life to the fullest with your family. And I just want to say that I'm so proud of what you've become. All of your hard work and sacrifice paid off. Now you are doing great in your chosen career as an architect. And yeah, as what Daddy said, we're so proud of you. I know that you're really good in at what you do, and just continue. And I wish you well. Age is just a number, so stay young, enjoy life, and we love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Christian. Hope you enjoy your 50th birthday and just always stay healthy and enjoy. Sana makarating ka dito para makapasyal ka, magkasama-sama lahat. And you can see the kids. So, yun. Happy birthday.
Para bigay ko na sa summer. Dito. Summer is with Wawa and Lolo, so she's not with us.
Yeah.
Bea.
Okay, happy 50th birthday, Tito Christian. We hope that you can come here soon so that we can see all of you, like Ate Pops and
Kuya Maui.
Kuya Maui.
Tita Dang.
And it'll be fun for all of us to come together. And hopefully we can go to Comic-Con together. And
Yeah.
it'd be fun because nobody wants to go and isn't interested. And it's fun since you are interested in that. So yeah.
Happy birthday, Tito Christian. Also, stay healthy and stay safe at your place.
Sabina.
Happy birthday, Tito Christian. We love you.
Okay, happy
Bye.
birthday.
Happy birthday.
Enjoy. Bye.